In a market flooded with noise, there's one stock that stands head and shoulders above the rest, poised for a monumental move. We're talking about the undisputed leader, which is at the forefront of the AI revolution. Today we're going all in on Nvidia. Forget the distractions, ignore the noise. This video is your ultimate guide to understanding why we are absolutely convinced that Nvidia is not just going to be earnings on August 27th, but is the single best investment you can make right now, with a clear line of sight to a $200 price target and beyond. Now, to understand Nvidia's potential, we have to look at their closest competitor. Just days ago, AMD announced record-breaking revenue of $7.7 billion for Q2, representing a massive 32% year-over-year increase. Their growth was driven by powerful demand in their data center, client, and gaming segments. While AMD does show potential, Nvidia is the engine driving this revolution. Their technology is the backbone of the AI boom, making them uniquely positioned to capitalize on this unprecedented demand. Simply looking at an hourly chart here on Nvidia, the stock has been absolutely bullish. If you guys saw my last video, you know I wanted to buy the stock here at around $171.21 here, which is where the stock pulled exactly to the penny and found support at this level. And ever since that announcement that we made, the video that we published on here on the channel, the stock has been up around 6% here, showing a nice return here over the past 7 days. Now, the stock has been as well above its swing high anchored VWAP here, shows that these sellers here from that high are now on average losing money with an average price of 178, and they had to cover their positions because they were getting caught off guard, which prompted this upward momentum here on the stock, right? And currently right now we're finding here some resistance, obviously, which this level, which is a prior pretty much kind of like a double top, but we did pull back and found some resistance here with this level of confluence here, which was a 50 EMA confluating with this prior swing high anchored VWAP, which should act as support because it was prior resistance and is now support here on the stock. If you guys saw my last video as well, we said that if the stock does decide to pull deeper, we wanted to buy it around $166 or even $162, but fortunately the stock did not pull down that much and found support at this level here. Now, the price targets that we have on Nvidia is going to be $190.68 here towards the upside. We firmly believe that there's going to be enough momentum ahead of earnings where the stock is going to continue its upward trajectory towards the upside and see that price target being accomplished. Now, with the intense bullishness on earnings, I see the price of the stock going all the way towards $202, which is my second price target. Obviously, this will obviously have to be factored in with the overall economic trends. Make sure we don't get any uncertainty with tariffs or any type of announcement that may impact Nvidia or the overall semiconductor industry here on the near term. Now, after looking at the chart, let's get into the main 5 core reasons as to why we are so incredibly bullish on Nvidia and why that $202 price target is firmly in our sights. First of all, Nvidia is the undisputed AI monopoly. To be clear, Nvidia owns the AI chip market. The GPUs are the essential ingredient for training and running the most advanced AI models. Every major player needs Nvidia. It's not just about market share, it's about market domination. The consensus among analysts is a strong buy rating, with an average price target of $188 and some high-end estimates reaching $250. Reason number 2, innovation has been leaving competitors in the dust. Nvidia doesn't just lead, they innovate at a relentless pace. Their new architectures and software continually redefine what's possible in AI, creating a widening gap between them and the competition. Reason number 3, the unbreakable moat. CUDA isn't just software, it's a fortress. With millions of developers deeply embedded in Nvidia's platform, it is making it incredibly difficult for competitors to catch up. This creates unparalleled stickiness and a massive competitive advantage compared to competitors. Reason number 4, financials that scream growth. Looking at the revenue growth, their profit margins, they're not just growing, they're exploding. For the upcoming quarter ending in July, Analysts are forecasting a consensus EPS of 94 cents, representing a massive increase from 65 cents just a year ago. With the AI demand showing no signs of slowing down and intense capex from the majority of the Max 7, this trajectory is likely to continue and accelerate. Traders, the evidence is clear. AMD's strong earnings have set the stage. The technicals are primed, the fundamentals are explosive, with analysts forecasting strong EPS growth, and the options flow is overwhelmingly bullish. We believe Nvidia is not just a good buy before its August 27th earnings, it is the best stock that you can buy right now for significant potential upside return.